Hi, welcome to Arthachitra. In this video, I will demonstrate how to connect to global data feeds. Global Data Feeds is a leading real-time data provider and is the authorized vendor for National Stock Exchange and Multi-Commodity Exchange in India. To connect to Global Data Feed, you must subscribe to the Nimble key. Please visit globaldatafeeds.in and browse to the product and click on the Nimble key. As you can see, among others, the Nimble key supports Arthachitra. You must subscribe to any of the available plans as per your needs. Once you have subscribed and you got the Nimble key, you must come to Arthachitra and will configure the connection, global data feed connection in Arthachitra. So to do that, in main view, go to connection, add edit connection. In the add edit connection view, click on the add button. In the new connection view, select the connection type as global data feed. Append a suitable name. You can append any name as per your wish. We will leave it to the default, which is global data feeds, and you must append the key, API key, which you got while subscribing to global data feeds. And then you must also append a master symbol download interval key. So what it does is, like, when you connect to global data feed, it will download the master symbol file, which is around 10 MB in size. As such, you don't want to download each time you connect. Defining a value will make sure that the masters are downloaded at an interval. So if you append 7, which is the default, the files will be downloaded every 7 days. If you define it as 0, the files will be downloaded each time you connect to the connection, which is not really recommended. So we will leave it at 7. And that's it. We will close it. And here is our newly built connection, and we can edit it anytime by clicking on the edit button, and we can remove it by clicking on the cross button out here. Now this is a one-time process. Now we will close it. Now we can simply connect to the connection from connection, live connections, and click on global data feeds.
Connected global data
Okay,
feeds.
now we are connected to global data feeds. Thanks for your time.